Welcome back to another video. I have to give a special shout out to Angelus paint because I really love it and I can't do the job without it. Alright, so let's get into this custom. I started off with these Nike cleats that have a holographic shine to them. Off camera, I did my prep work with alcohol and removed that factory shine with some acetone. Next, I'm going to go in with some Angelus flat black mixed with some Too Thin, and I'm showing you guys how I mix it in my airbrush. By blocking the nozzle with my finger and applying some pressure, the bubbles will mix the paint. Now that that's done, I'm going to start laying down this paint in nice even layers, and in between each layer, I'm going to set it with the heat gun. If you want your customs to be super high quality and have longevity, it's important that you do not make your layers too thick. You set them with your heat gun and you allow for proper drying time between each layer. The theme for these shoes is Black Lives Matter, and I made some custom stencils with my Cricut of prominent figures in the Black community, and also wanted to pay my respect to those who have died due to police brutality and those who haven't received any justice. I'm going to add these black power fists with the Nike swoosh through them to the back because I painted over the original Nike swoosh, and if Nike takes this idea, I'm going to need them to run me a check. It's important to take your time when applying stencils and to make sure that everything is straight so you can get your custom just right. Next, I'm going to go in with some Angelus sterling silver and really make that fist pop. When you really take the time and lay your stencils down right, your design should come out nice and crisp every time. Next, I'm going to use some Angelus flat white and begin laying down my character stencils. Here's a pro tip. When working with stencils, it's helpful to label the back with the order and color that it's going to be painted. This will help lessen confusion when you're actually painting and designing. The design already looked great with just the white paint, but I wanted to add that silver to enhance the overall vibe of the shoe. When I'm designing, everything is pretty much intentional, so on this shoe I also decided to put no justice, no peace, because in some way all of these men represented that message. On the other shoe, I decided to put George Floyd because his unfortunate murder was the catalyst of a new civil rights movement, and I wanted to honor him. After I got down that white, I hit it with a silver layer and then the reveal. That looks amazing by itself and it's really powerful, but because I let each shoe speak to me, I decided to fill up the space with the other names of the victims of police brutality. Now I'm just going to take off all of my masking tape. I hope you guys really like this video. Stay tuned to the very end so you can see who these cleats are for. These cleats were made custom for Sacramento Republic FC player Andrew Wheeler Ominu, and by his reaction, he really liked them. And here's some professional pictures of the cleats on foot. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.